The sugar factory is very important to Hue. Let's take a look. Our first stop is the Hue Art Station.
It was Hue Sugar Factory railway station in the past.
It carries sugarcane, but sometimes people too.
Now it has become a Hue tourist center. It gives tourists unique information about Yunlin.
Now, let's go to the sugar factory.
The factory creates many jobs for people in Yunlin.
The factory still produces a lot of sugar now.
If you visit, you can see the bus and train carrying sugar cane and enjoy the sweet smell of sugar. The nearby Tongxin Park is also worth visiting.
It's a charming and family-friendly attraction. You can see tall green trees, walking paths, and children areas in the parks.
People often enjoy relaxing here.
Do you know why sugar factories sell ice treats?
Of course, because sugar factory produce sugar. They can get sugar easily.
Finally, don't forget to try the azuki bean milk ice cream.
The yummy and creamy milk ice cream topped with the azuki bean paste.
What are you waiting for? I'm going to eat all of it.
Hey, my ice cream!